Okay, you all, this is my backyard. It's Marva Riley. We had snow yesterday. And look at my backyard. I'm in Georgia, like central Georgia, near the Augusta area. And everybody tells me that anyone that has lived here for any period of time, well, many people have lived here all their lives, they haven't seen anything like this in at least 10 years. So this is, I think, probably maybe 1.5 to 2 inches of snow that fell yesterday into last night. So our backyard is pretty much blanketed with snow. Got my dog, he loves it out here. It doesn't feel too cold today, and it looks like we might still be having a little bit of snow. I'm not sure if it's fresh snow. Oh no, I think it's coming from the tree, blowing off the tree. Nice and sunny, so the snow is beautiful. It's supposed to warm up soon, so I'm looking forward to all of this melting and being able to get back to normalcy. But yeah, this is real snow. In the CSRA area, I actually live just a little bit out, about 20 minutes south of Augusta, Georgia, where it's normally pretty warm most of the time. See my dog, she loves being outside. Playing in the snow. Yeah, it's fun. I just don't want to have to deal with this every year, because we're really not prepared for this kind of thing. You know, some people say there's no global warming, but no climate change, but this is a telltale, right? Yeah, this is it. This is Marva Riley. Have you, how are you doing? Where do you live, and do you have snow? This is Marva Riley. Take care. Okay, snow fight.